Hi, it's Mike here from DPF Tech, working on a Renault Trafic 2019, presented with severe drivability problems and also a differential pressure sensor. As you can see on here, it's got 0 readings. So we went to the sensor and discovered that it had been left disconnected on one of the hoses and also appeared to be melted. So I made an assumption that the sensor was damaged, but actually somebody turned it the wrong way around. So the two pipes, we switched them back, ordered a new sensor because it had become melted in the corner, and then checked the hoses. One of the hoses had also started to blow, so we replaced that as well. Then went to the turbo boost pipe, to the turbo boost sensor. We initially started the engine, then turned it off. You can see here, the engine's been turned off and the pressure takes quite a long time to decay down to 0. And then we start the engine up again, and once again it takes quite a long time to come back up to its normal, well, a steady pressure. Once we'd got that through, I've put a flushing solution through, and we managed to start a regeneration. You can see it's around about 600 degrees there. That got the pressures down to 7 millibars, which is normal. Drivability was restored. We reset the DPF filter back to new, and that completes the service. And this is Mike from DPF Tech. Thank you.